Doris Joseph. Ebuka, come. This is for you, Ebuka. Clinton is my baba for the last 9 years. This is for you.
Ladies and gentlemen, round of applause. Jesus.
No.
What I take here for instance is getting married.
Who is getting married? Thank you so much.
And I know this one.
Thank you guys so much.
No man on earth should give glory to himself. All the glory must be to the Lord. No man on earth should give glory to himself. All the glory must be to the Lord. It's not by power. It's not by power.
See, Ebuka, thank you for the work you do in the gospel. I don't know why you guys are kneeling down. I feel awkward. I love you guys so much. Doris, congratulations. Congratulations.
Yeah.
Congratulations. Ebuka has actually been in touch since last year. We've been in the DS working behind the scenes, and today I'm so grateful for you.
Your books. Your books.
And then of course my mentee. This guy has been following me since 2014. Wow. He's been cutting my hair for 9 years.
Enzo, that's the official barber. Enzo, the police barber. The one who touches anointed head.
Was my he was in my team, backup singer, then still cuts my hair. Has been following for years, and today this guy is doing very well.
He was one time backup singer.
Yeah, he was backup singer, drummer. Then cuts my hair for the past 9 years. Wow. And he's now he now has 2 major installations in Abuja. 2 major barbing salons installations in Abuja. So he has one in Jabi, has one in Warren.
What is it called?
Clint Scott. It's called Clint Scott. So today I just want to say thank you for being there. He's the closest among the people I mentor. He's the closest to me, and he's been so loyal, so humble. We've been in the trenches. We've been everywhere together. God through a lot. Lived with me for so many years. I love you, Clinton. This is the least you'll ever be.
Amen.
Ebuka, I'm so proud of you. I want you to know that I believe in what God is doing with you, and I know that this is only the beginning. The world ain't seen nothing yet. Amen. And Doris Joseph, we just met 6 months ago. I just remembered now that it's 6 months ago through the Daddyweydeypamper challenge. And but people should go and see your car. Enter.
Daddyweydeypamper, Daddyweydeybless, forever. Now you there. Sing now.
Yeah, God.
Yes, now. Tell yourself now, you can drive this car more.
No more Uber.
No more boats.
No more boat.
No more Uber.
No more Uber.
I want to.
Ebuka, your face is red already. You are crying too much. It's okay. It's okay.
Thank you, sir.
Ebuka is getting me emotional. Marista. Ebuka is getting me emotional.
Man of God.
Okay.
Thank you very much. God bless you.
Ebuka is okay.
Gentlemen, ladies.
I know where I'm coming from.
Enter.
I know. God is doing this. You have to just be grateful. Thank you, Mr. Moses.
No, it's not too loud. It's just the beginning now. Many more will come.
Amen.
Many more.
I can't even enter.
Enter your car.
God has seen your years of service, your heart, all you've been doing for so many years.
Jesus.
This is just too
Esther, open the car.
Honestly, you know, one person is also
Enter into the car.
Can only be God.
really proud.
Say God, thank you.
Some of us, wow.